Have you ever wondered how clean the air inside your building really is? Whether you manage an office, a school, or a healthcare facility, indoor air quality can directly impact health, productivity, and safety. The good news is, there's now a clear guideline to help facility managers ensure safer indoor environments. Introducing ASHRAE Standard 241, the latest indoor air quality standard specifically designed to reduce airborne pathogens. So, what exactly is ASHRAE Standard 241? It's a guideline developed by air quality experts to help facilities reduce the spread of airborne diseases. Unlike older ventilation standards, ASHRAE 241 focuses specifically on controlling infectious aerosols, meaning it helps prevent viruses and bacteria from spreading indoors. This is a game changer for facility managers because it provides clear, actionable steps to improve indoor air quality, especially during flu season or a health crisis. ASHRAE 241 introduces 3 key components that every facility manager needs to understand. This mode is like an emergency setting for your building's air system. If there's an outbreak or high risk of infection, facility managers can activate higher ventilation and filtration settings to keep people safe. This simply means ensuring that enough clean air is being provided for the number of people in a room. Higher traffic areas need more filtration, while storage rooms need less. ASHRAE 241 takes the guesswork out of air quality checks. Instead of relying on estimates, it requires actual testing to measure how effectively contaminants are removed from the air. If you're a facility manager, here's how you can implement ASHRAE 241 in your building today. Step 1. Assess your ventilation system. Step 2. Increase fresh air intake. Step 3. Upgrade filters. Step 4. Use air cleaning technology. Step 5. Conduct regular indoor air quality tests. Implementation isn't just about compliance. It's about creating healthier environments where people can breathe easier and work more comfortably. Implementing ASHRAE 241 isn't just about compliance. It's about creating healthier environments where people can breathe easier and work more comfortably. Reduced illness spread, energy-efficient operations, improved occupant satisfaction. So, is your indoor air safe? Now you know what it takes to improve indoor air quality and protect your building occupants. Subscribe for more facility management tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow facility managers. Stay informed, stay prepared, and keep your buildings safe.